ನೋಡಿ ಗಾಡಿ Okay, so first tour of the pilgrimage trip. Okay, second tour, call it third after airport. Okay, so for our pilgrimage trip, we are out of Karnataka now on our way to Prayagraj, and I will try to show my fellow passengers, Mr. Pilot. This is gonna be a fun trip which will conclude with a pilgrimage. Actually, we have planned for Prayagraj and we have started early morning around 4:30. Quite dark and little delayed capture starting. We are approaching Kia factory, another 40 kilometers from here on Hyderabad highway. Little more bright, we'll capture some more.
ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ
So here we are, home to all Carnival, Karens, Seltos, Kia factory Anandpur.
Oh, hi Kia.
Hi Kia from Toyota guy.
Hi Kia.
I believe this is first time we are coming in this bright, crossing Kia this bright. Normally we have crossed in dark only. But then yeah, you can see yeah.
Because of the colleagues.
Not that late still, but it's fine. A huge facility. I mean, you can understand why it is only facility in India. Okay, huge.
Oh God, so many cars.
And our search for some Korean pit stop for tea, coffee starts from here. We should find something very fast. We'll stop by and then figure out something.
ಹೋಗಿ ಬಾವಾ
Sandeep, how was the breakfast? Super. First pit stop. Breakfast done. Super coffee. Our pilot is very much excited. Satisfied. Vendiguram food court. Worth a place to stay. Anyway, anytime traveling early morning from Bangalore towards Hyderabad.
This should be a bus stop.
Yeah, it can be one good choice. So this is our chariot. Both of our chariots, Hyundai and Toyota, Japan and Korea. So fourth toll of the route, Marur Toll Plaza. Yeah, charged after a nice breakfast. 7:52 at Marur. Our ETA currently showing 7 o'clock to Adilabad. Our overnight pit stop. Now
Google Map is showing 7:12.
7 o'clock is our ETA as of now.
National Highway.
Kasepalli Toll Plaza.
Kasepalli.
Kasepalli. Toll number 5, right? Toll number 5 for us. We'll count how many tolls we cross in our quest to pilgrimage.
This toll number?
Amakka Tadu toll.
No, it's 6, huh?
Toll number 6 for us. How's the experience, Mr. Pilot?
Oh, it's very good. Very good experience.
You're enjoying the highway?
Yes. Roads are so good.
What's the target for Hyderabad?
Hyderabad, I don't have any idea.
Another 250 kilometers
Yes.
by lunch. So we are on schedule for biryani in Hyderabad. That means
Hyderabad.
veg biryani because we are in pilgrimage trip.
Sattvic
food. Feedback. How's the trip going on? Josh is full high.
How is the Josh?
What's the place name? But it's a toll number 6. Unfortunately, no mention of the place. And post Kurnool. This is office sustenance, but good. My pilot is very happy. Doesn't want change of handle. Cherishing the Bangalore Hyderabad highway. It's fun. He's stopping again. Okay, we'll just have change of.
Stop ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡು.
Stationary
ವಿಶಾಲ ಹೃದಯದವರು ಅಂತ ಉಪೇಂದ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬಟ್ಟೆನ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಡ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಇನ್ನು ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸುನಿ ಆ ತರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಬಾಲ್ಕನಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
6th.
ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅದೇ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್
ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
So, Madam Pilot, how's the experience on Hyderabad Outer Ring Road, Nehru Ring Outer Ring Road?
It's very nice, smooth, feels nice to drive in 120.
Okay, fellow passengers enjoying the ride.
Yes, we are also liking
Totally loving it.
Okay, in name of Lord Shiva, Har Har
Hare!
Mahadev, back to Ring Road.
ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು means ದಿನ we don't come this side, right?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೂ
But
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು.
we'll guess, okay, come then we'll continue for some time. Day 1 lunch done, Janta Family Dhaba, nice place. A tidy veg food for us only because of the place which we are going. The group is happily satisfied with the lunch and our photo session before we start our continuous journey. Okay, so first toll after lunch. Once we have got rejuvenated, even road toll should get rejuvenated. So, and the name is Pochanpalli. Sorry, Manoharabad Toll Plaza. And let's check with our fellow passengers how's the journey. Halfway through first day, more than half actually. Now only how much is left? 4 hours of journey, around 250-260 kilometers left. How's pilot doing?
Good, great.
You just now had lunch, right? I just now told that you finished your lunch. Okay. How's it going?
Good, really nice. Lunch was going. Drive is also going good.
So little late disclaimer on what we are trying to achieve today is like we started from Bangalore and then we are planning to stop at Adilabad. It's our overnight stop today, and Adilabad there is a Airbnb by name Kakao. Worth a review when we stay there, and we are actually group of 10 in 2 vehicles, so two facilities where we are staying. One is Kakao and another one is Ravi Teja, Hotel Ravi Teja. Both we will try to have a room tour and share the review. I'm sure it will help others who are trying to take this route anytime. Road wise, as known, Bangalore Hyderabad highway was super. Now after Hyderabad, it's like a construction which is going on for eternity after the ORR and continues to be, but then still not such problematic. We finished our lunch after that and we are somewhere, as the toll said, Manoharabad. Let's see, from here next stop is for a tea, coffee around 5 o'clock and hopefully to make it by 6:30 to our stay for the night. We'll keep observing, recording and we'll share it further. Another attempt to contribute to Indian economy. And the charge for the services which we are using, another toll gate. We don't know the okay, Biknoor Toll Plaza. This is Biknoor Toll Plaza, I believe maybe the last third toll for the day, in range of around 200 kilometers to Adilabad. Traffic is kind of increasing with little more number of lorries and more so the heavy lunch has made feel drowsy also. Confession time. toll has to operator has to work a little bit more. He did. When we have been, we have set to go. So now that we have entered Nizamabad, the first toll after Nizamabad, and the place name is called Kannaram. This is Kannaram. Indalvai Toll Plaza. Okay. Wait. Another 150 kilometers for the day to travel. Warm day, greenery next to it. Better to stop and have some selfie session. Okay, it's evening tea done and last 55 kilometers left for our pit stop for the night. The road continues to greet us with a smooth drive and kind of tired for the day. It's a warm day. तो ऑलमोस्ट पहुंच गए हैं आदिलाबाद. एक और घंटे के बाद आज की रात के लिए रुक जाना है एंड देन विल गिव यू रूम टूर व्हेन वी स्टॉप एट द होटल. कंटिन्यू टिल देन. थोड़ा सा फीडबैक हमारे फेलो पैसेंजर से. हाउ इज द रूट?
All good.
What generic answer? All good.
Going great.
The drive till here is really good.
Yeah.
We will plan to continue to Nagpur, but we already have to.
If our stay doesn't work out in Adilabad, then we might continue to
But-
Nagpur. Yeah. Either ways it is.
But you can continue
It's fine.
like starting from Bangalore directly to Nagpur.
Nagpur.
Yeah, that is always
Probably,
possible.
yeah, you reach around like 7:38. If the stay thing doesn't work out in Adilabad, then probably we'll continue to Nagpur. Let's see. We'll keep you posted.
Roll Manda Toll Plaza. I'm pretty sure this should be the last one for us for this day. And before we reach Adilabad. Looks like one barren kind of toll plaza. No one is there. But it's working. Good. Yeah.
Till the time it's working.
Yeah, till the time it is working, well and good. Happy to contribute to country's economy and support Mr. Nitin Gadkari for all the road works.
They're already paying tax.
We are already paying tax on top of it supporting.
Yeah. So this is the place for our stay tonight in Adilabad, by name Kakaku. Very thoughtfully designed place actually, we should tell. Cozy and you can see small details. The guests are actually enjoying facility.
Hi. Hello.
Pretty impressed. We have a kitchen and every single bit with thoughts. Here also. And the room. We actually are a little more in numbers, so we have asked for additional beds, but yeah.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ
Good morning, second day started and we are on our way to Riva. What's the time? 5 o'clock. 5:30. We are
5:20.
quite late because we were planning for 4:30 start at max, but then it has become 5:20.
Yeah.
Still should be fine because the running to Riva is almost 11 and a half hours, sorry, with all the stoppages considered. So we expect to reach by 4:30, 5 o'clock max. All well. Let's see how it pans out. Day 1 has been good. I'm pretty sure day 2 will be better. We'll keep observing, recording, and then finally sharing. Okay, so first toll of day 2. Place name is Pipparwada Toll Plaza. We should be very much close to Maharashtra. This thing now.
Going by the names at least. It is.
Yeah. Okay, toll number 2 for दूसरा दिन.
First toll of Maharashtra.
This is first toll of Maharashtra.
Not
yeah.
Maharashtra, MP, sorry, MP.
We are in Maharashtra now.
Maharashtra, yeah.
We are in Maharashtra and I'm not sure, but one kind of apprehension is coming about crowd at Prayagraj because we are seeing a lot of Karnataka vehicles, quite a few of Tamil Nadu vehicles also. So people
Especially
are,
from the south.
yeah, people are traveling. This is known road that this connects south to this side, so there should be more. But yeah, and one apprehension is coming. What about the crowd at Prayagraj? Will it be heavy? So let's see how it is. But yeah,
But the roads are definitely crowded compared to last time.
compared to last time, yeah. So missing feeling continues by seeing a big daddy going ahead of us. I'm missing my own big daddy. And then search for a tea shop is on. Looking for a place where we can have a new morning tea. Our other partner vehicle is way ahead of us. Trying for it. See what we find and then where we get a pit stop for a tea coffee early morning. Fresh look of mine. Sleepy look of my wife. Hello. Good morning. ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. How's the road today, Baba? Better than yesterday?
Better road today is a little.
No, through Maharashtra it will be like this only.
Yes.
Maybe, not maybe. Once we cross Maharashtra into MP, no, then it'll be fine. Sandeep, your turn for auto car. Which one today?
On the road.
Huh?
Not too many hotels on the road.
That is one shortfall. But you got lot of KA vehicle coming along, so we expect nice company in Prayagraj also. Let's see. Hello, after breakfast, full accomplishment of having food between such a crowd, which was a prelim test for Prayagraj crowd. But nice food overall. Relished is the word actually. Now I'm back to the road. Expectations are high around Pench National Park. We will just stroll through that and lunch 2:30.
Okay.
Okay, so we are done with Maharashtra and it was quick exit from Maharashtra today. Early morning entry and post breakfast exit. Now just thinking if I can break my jinx and see. Nodi. Ide driving. Sorry, okay. No, these vehicles on the road these days have become so they don't follow the lanes on the track. There'll be one go in the another one, that desperation to exit the toll. But on serious note, we are on which toll place?
Oriental Nagpur
bypass. So yeah, now the road condition should be better. Hopefully, whatever we have seen through the Maharashtra state. Let's see.
The only disruption would be the movement of cows.
Yeah, now it is real famous for cattle running on the road everywhere in Madhya Pradesh. Let's see. You can show Sher Babu. टेक्नोलॉजी के सामने कॉम्प्रोमाइज, एक सिक्योरिटी गार्ड लगा के इन्होंने टोल सिस्टम ही खत्म करके रखा है पूरा. People have to wait for them to signal. We are at this one. Which is the toll name? This is the toll between Pench Tiger Reserve,
both Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh.
Maharashtra in Madhya Pradesh, and system is bakwas because they don't have scanner. They have individuals standing there. स्कैनर के बाद भी आप ही सर्विस करोगे तो क्या फायदा सर? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಪಾಪ, ಅವರು ಈ ಜಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಭಯ ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ 5th attempt on this Pench Tiger Reserve route, first time seeing a traffic, mostly because of the lorries and little of road construction which is going on. Experience, not that something I would have asked for it, but cannot escape also. Toll gate after toll gate after toll gate, but road is good, so not a problem. लंच का जगह मिल नहीं रहा है एक्चुअली अच्छा खासा, सब कुछ पंजाबी ढाबा टाइप से. We have put one on the map as of now, but let's see how it is. Is it worth adding to the map or not? हमारी आम जनता की टेक्नोलॉजी से लड़ाई चालू है. स्कैनर डाल के भी इनका काम नहीं हो रहा है. आगे पीछे लगे हैं. In the night, and all the roads lead only to one place, Prayagraj. Look at the crowd, look at the rush at the door. भैया ये बोट किधर से मिलता है? इस तरफ जाना पड़ेगा, इधर ऊपर जाके केवड़ नाव वाली हाँ
संगम ब्रिज है, लेकिन संगम आपको स्नान करवाएंगे जहाँ अलग पानी रहेगी, गलत जगह स्नान नहीं करवाएंगे. और वो भी दिखाओ कहाँ गंगा, और
वही अलग अलग रंग का पानी दिखाना होगा.
हाँ, अलग अलग पानी दिखाएंगे ना आपको.
This is Triveni Gang. where we have to take the boat to Sangama.
वहाँ पे आपको स्नान कराएंगे, स्नान कराने के बाद फिर वापस हम छोड़ देंगे।
कण कण में भगवान बसे हैं, पग पग स्वर्ग से धाम यहाँ। गंगा यमुना सरस्वती मिल चरण पखारे राम यहाँ। धर्म का ये है राज मुकुट, धर्म का ये है राज मुकुट, सनातन गौ का नाज है पावन संगम की धरती, ये प्रयागराज है, ये प्रयागराज है।
ಯಾರು ಫುಲ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾರು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗು
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ
8 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ 45 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಫೋನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿ
उधर ऐसे बैठे क्यों है?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
रील्स
ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಅಂತ
Scared of it.
हाथ बाहर मत कीजिएगा, ಕೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಬೋಟ್ಗಳು ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತಂತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೋಟ್ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ.
Everyone do my lucky number.
Just one.
Start.
Natural. ಇವಾಗ
गंगा की धारा शिव शिव गाए, गंगा जहाँ शंभु समाए। महाकुंभ में डुबकी लगा, महादेव जी मिल जाएंगे।
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗ ಹೋದ್ರ
ಬಂದೆ
ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂಗಳೆಲ್ಲ
ಸುನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸುನಿ
Cash on delivery road is closed. No cash on delivery. Only prepaid orders. No billing ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯೂಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯೂಟರ್ನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ನಾನು ನಡುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಫುಲ್ ಬೆಚ್ಚಗಾಗೋಯ್ತು
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲ
ನಾವೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇದೆ ಹೈವೇ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ನೈಸ್ ನೈಸ್. ಹಾ ಹೌದು.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ
ಗಾಡಿ ಇದೆ, ಗಾಡಿನಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ಬೋದು.
ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ,
ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
ಶೋರ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಶೋರ್. ಓಕೆ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಊಟ ಜಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್? ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ
ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ.
ಲಿನೆಟ್
ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಮರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
ಶೋರ್ ಪಾ. ಎಸ್ ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಯು, ಬಾಯ್. ಓಕೆ ಪಾ, ಬಾಯ್. ಹಾಂ,
See from Chhatgarh to your location how far it is. Chhatgarh border. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ.
ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಂದ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೆನ್ನೆ ರೀಚ್ ರೇವಾ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವಿವಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು. ನೈಟ್ ಮಲಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 20 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಜಾಮೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋರಿಗೆ, ನಮಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ನೈಟ್ ಫುಲ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 130 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು 5 hours. ಅಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇತ್ತು ನೈಟು.
ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು? ಇದು ಏನಿದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಷ್ಟು ಥರ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇದೆ.
By mistake, if we had yesterday,
ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ
ಅದು ಅನ್ನೂಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
क्या हालत हो रखी है, लोगों की धारणा के साथ खिलवाड़ हो रहा है. हर जगह हर घंटे की दूरी पे 8 घंटे 6 घंटे की दूरी, 8 किलोमीटर 6 किलोमीटर की लाइन है. गॉड नोज व्हाट टाइम कट मारते. God knows what time these guys will be able to reach home. This is like 4th or 5th stretch which we are seeing. It's stopped, blocked by the administration for this prohibition to Allahabad. Cut ಮಾಡಿ.
You can see people returning. See this side.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ
All roads lead to Prayagraj. All the roads. Look at the crowd. Okay, after a long gap, I'm back on the steering, back on the road. Eventful days yesterday and today. I'm also in traffic jam. We are back on our track to Bangalore. Today's pit stop being Nizamabad. I'll have stills in between wherein you will see
Traffic.
such a bad traffic. Can't call bad, but yeah, I mean, it is worse actually, to be very frank. Every single vehicle, every single road is going to Prayagraj. Now it is fine actually, but then almost 200 kilometers before Prayagraj, from my here itself, there are intermittent barricades stopping them. So people are suffering, to be very frank, on the road. I mean, all kind of adventure, driving through the dividers, those ditches, and then
Lane change also.
lane changes. I mean, the main 2 road is anyways blocked. From road also is like almost 2 lines of vehicle from that side only. Sad state of affairs actually, but can't help. Timing is such. We got lucky. Snan happened in time, but then because of the crowd, we could not go anywhere in Allahabad. Returning itself took some double the expected time for us to come back from Allahabad. But yeah, the main motto of the trip is covered, and then we are back to Karma Bhumi, Bangalore. Not back yet,
We're still on the way,
on the way back. See this way? This is not management. It's pathetic, serious. Just delay. Look at these ladies and all. What they'll be
This is
feeling.
in Jabalpur.
Oh, big man. ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನ್ benefit?
ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಏನೋ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪಾಸ್
People are taking U-turn. See, smart guy. Not done. Not done.
ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು
I tell him. He's taking U-turn anyways. Sahab, red t-shirt. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Tell them. Somewhere else stop and tell. Oh yeah, I mean who will be the chosen one whom I will tell. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಯಾಕೆ ಹೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ they are going inside that village. ಗೋವಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ? ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Hello and welcome to which toll is this? Meenal something.
No. Wait.
Meenakshi.
I don't think Meenakshi is the toll gate name. Anyways, Bangalore is 1276 kilometers from here.
1276 kilometers, Bangalore.
Yeah.
But then anyways we don't have to travel there today.
Yeah.
चल रही है हमारी जर्नी अच्छी खासी. हमने एक छोटा सा पिट स्टॉप लिया, टाइम बर्बाद किया, अब वापस रोड पे. और इट्स अ चांस टू सी वेदर माय जिंक्स stays and goes. As of now it looks like consistently it will stay, so it will be fine only. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ ಇದು गए हैं अपनी धर्मपत्नी के फेमस पीस ऑफ दिस रोड ट्रिप में, पेंच नेशनल पार्क. She always gets a blush when she crosses this area, and I can see that consistency now also. What is your
Something one must visit. The Tiger Reserve.
this road? Okay, I
No,
thought.
Tiger Reserve.
The thing is, we will not get safari at least 2 months in advance. You have to book beyond 2 months. But yeah, there is so many facilities inside. Now that we all have come this together, now we can plan something. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇವ್ರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. नई टेक्नोलॉजी वाले टोल गेट पे आ गए हम, जहाँ पे कि स्कैनर हाथ में लिए बंदा घूम रहा है और हमें जिंक्स कर रहा है. सॉरी, मैनुअल स्कैनिंग में सक्सेसफुल एग्जाम पास होने की तरह की फीलिंग थी, जहाँ पे कि बंदे ने चेक किया और हम पास आउट हो गए वहाँ से. पास आउट साउंड्स वेरी बैड, बट हम टोल से निकल गए, टोल के चेक से पास हो गए. 13 किलोमीटर और हमारे लंच का समय हो गया है अभी. Which is on the rocks there. It's kind of telling sunset about the trip of ours also to Prayagraj. We are now closing down. We are like last couple of hours to home. We are now on Andhra Karnataka border. Place name not sure, but we are pretty much there. Done with our farewell party with the other group, and now on to home. Till the next time, closer to the